Swami Maharaj of Bhai Shiksha had also explained in this song. He is telling here that when an auspicious day will come, that I will chant Sachidanandam Gautari, Sachidanandam Gautari. And automatically my heart will meditate and hears response. Fear may come, it may be, but not for helping. Then it is no good. It is for so bottle, right? So we don't want only fears, but we want our hearts. The heart is melted and fears. Then we will think that, oh, this heart is not melted, then what to do? If I am wanting from my heart, that my heart will be melted, then we have to take any broad process which Rupa Goswami has followed, which Raghunath Goswami has followed, which Goswami has followed, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has followed. After that, Krishnadas Kaviraj, all up to Bhamti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, our Guru. So let it follow. Not artificially, not for so what. Our hearts are very not. The form, aim and object should be this. That's the often no worldly sense gratification, no envy, no criticizing to anyone, always 24 hours engaged in Krishna. That is. Without this, it will not come, and it will be only by the grace of. It will come only by the causeless mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. He is actually concept, all things of today is actually Bhagavad, not other than Krishna. He has come only to glorify and serve Krishna. So here also Nityananda. Nityananda has only come to serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whether he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Like Bhagavad. He has come to serve Nitya surrender to Nityananda. And his causeless mercy, even a sprinkle touches our heart or mind already. Then we can chant what name like that. Heart melting, tears coming, hairs standing. All the Ashtasattvic vikas which has been told in Bhakti Rasamrita. Please to try to develop our chanting, remembering, hearing like this. So, we should try to and try to beg the mercy of Nityananda. So, Arkaveli Chander Karunai causeless person of Nityananda will be bestowed upon you. As on your heart it will touch, then all kinds of worldly requirements, all gratifications, everything which are disturbance and obstacle are all up. They will go at once. Like Jagai Madhai. You know Jagai Madhai? Who was like a devil. Always taking what? Wine, involved in women and wealth, always doing some nonsense, rascal things for devotees and for all general persons. Anyone cannot come on the road of Navadvip Dham, see that the demons are there, Jagai and Madhai. Especially women could not walk on the street speaking. Anybody. But Nityananda Prabhu saw from a distance. He told himself to Haridas Thakur also, or they are best qualified person to be mercy. We'll have to go there and to tell them, the two devils, that, oh, Mridanga, where is Mridanga? Come, Ramesh, where is Mridanga?
Tarun, maybe? Right here.
Bring at once. Come on here.
Yes. ¿Has cargado la batería?
Todo. La electricidad. Ahí está una regla. Vale.
Anyone not playing on with them very good? Come on here, yeah. You made so late. Then, Nityananda Prabhu told to Haridas Thakur and himself also that this is the best qualified person in the whole world. And each the teachings and name and order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we will tell to them, and if they are turned into very bona fide devotees, then I will know the power of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And also, I will believe in name. That is so possible. And he went to them and told, Oh Jagai Madhai, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare. They heard, and in their ears it went down. And it was so much effect, but yet the short words, Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur was so much far away from Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu just came. And with great and big eyes, the short words, Oh, who are you? And then at once ran after Nityananda Prabhu to catch hold and they took their pot, earthen clay pots, and ran after them. Nityananda Prabhu. Right? It used to run so 6 fast. But Haridas Thakur was some fat, and he began to like do it. Oh, Nityananda Prabhu is so mad. He has called the danger Kirtan. But anyhow, they escaped. Advaitacharya was there. Haridas Thakur told them, oh, see, what this Nityananda Prabhu brought a very big danger, and we were to be killed there. No one was there to save us. Anyhow, he is lenient in, so he escaped and ran away. But I was in danger. But by the mercy of Krishna, we are saved. From today, I will never go with him. And if I am going, then we will be killed. Then Advaita Acharya told, why you went with him? I know. There are 2 drunkards, Jagai Madhai, and also there are 2 more drunkards, Gaura and Nityananda. They are more drunkard than them. And I will see from tomorrow that 4 drunkards will be together and will drink more and more and they will dance and do. But you should not go. Then Haridas Thakur told, don't cheat me, Prabhu. I know. Gaur Nityananda are drunkard of praying. And they rectify the 2 demons. They will give them a pot of divine wine, that is nectar, and all will die. Not only that, whole Navadip will be married in Krishna. Next day, Nityananda Prabhu again went with Haridas Thakur, again did, and they throw out one vessel of wine. Nityananda Prabhu, drink your blood was coming. At once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard from Christians, and he came with lakh and lakh devotees and told, oh, where Chakri is. And Chakra came and he was about to throw, but Nityananda, don't do so. Ram, in the shape of Ram, in the shape of Krishna, in the shape of Nrsimhadev, we have done all these things. We have killed and then we have given liberation all. But in this pastime, you should not do. You should only change their heart and be merciful with praying in their heart, so that they can chant Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Gaur Premanande Hare. They should chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. At once, miracle was magic. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced Jagai. I heard that you have saved Nityananda Prabhu. He was going to do more some nonsense. But he slept. And as he embraced, at was full of Krishna prema and began to weep and rolling on the when I told, oh, why you are giving praying to him? What I have done offense? Mahaprabhu told, go to Nityananda Prabhu, and he forgets everything. And I will give you also Krishna. He at once fell flat on the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, weeping, when weeping, crying, set me, set me. Then Nityananda Prabhu told, forgive him, everything. He requested Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to give Krishna. And at once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shot towards him and he became full of this and began to cry and weep, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Ar kabe nitai jane, karuna hai. Jai Nityananda Prabhu, our heart will be clear from all kinds of worldly desires, from anger, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मद, मोह, मात्सर्य, all these things. 6. These are 6 pain. And all kinds of offences, all kinds of the things which are against bhakti principle. And then we will see how beautiful Vrindavan, cows are grazing everywhere, how heart bears with Krishna and Baldev, beautifully decorated with flowers, ornaments, and peacock feathers, having float on his lips, and singing, dancing. You will see in Vrindavan, there is one Shiva. But Krishna with gopis is dancing, singing so sweet on the bank of Yamuna. Yamuna is full of lotus flowers. These are hanging there, telling Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Radhe. Kakus are also singing. Peacocks are dancing, singing Krishna as a cloud. So, when we will see that, our destination is there. Our aim and object of our sadhana is there. Not to be forever in 4th class or 3rd classes, 1st classes. Only reading A, B, C. We have to go up. Especially those who are senior, we go to this. Go from Kanishta Vaishnava to go to Madhyam Adhikari. Perhaps you know Madhyam Adhikari. And after that, we have to go Madhyam, Uttam, and then entering in Uttam Bhagavat. And then we have to enter. After that, by the mercy of Nityananda, we will see. But only not Nityananda Prabhu mercy will not do. The mercy of Sanatan Prabhu, Rup Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami will do. All will come. Nityananda Prabhu mercy is not so easily. You have to go to Nityananda first to Rup and Raghunath, and by them their mercy, Nityananda Prabhu mercy. Otherwise no. That is very hard. The mercy of Nityananda. Right. Rupa Raghunath mercy, we can know who is Nityananda Prabhu, who is Baldev Prabhu. What is Vrindavan? So if you want to know what is Vrindavan and what is Vrindavan, Krishna pastimes there, and to realize what is Seva Kunja, you know, perhaps you know the name of Seva. What is Seva Kunja? In all other places, Sudam Shakha, Yashoda Maiya, Nanda Baba, Sridham, Subals, all are serving Krishna. In all places, gopis like to serve Krishna. For Seva Kunja is a special place where Krishna serves Srimati Radhika. That is Seva Kunja. When Srimati Radhika and gopis become tired, Krishna comes and says, oh, you are tired. And taking the Uttariya, you know, Pitambar, and washes them. sweats. Telling, oh, and I massage your pain. So here Krishna is serving. And if Srimati Radhika has gone, is something like anger. Then he gives a float in the lotus feet of Krishna, Srimati Radhika. And tells, if I have done anything wrong, you should forget. In Vrindavan, Krishna is not master, or Srimati Radhika is not master. But who is master? Prem. Virata of Prem is the master in Vrindavan. Prem himself dance. And by this Prem, in supervision of this Prem, Krishna also dance, Gopis dance, all dance, Vrindavan dance, the heart of devotees dance, begins to dance, everyone dance. This is the mercy of Sigaru. And by that we can have the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Yog Maya, Vrinda Devi, everyone. That Prem is highest thing. Prem Prayoga, Krishna Sambandha. Krishna, who is Krishna? Sambandha. There is some relation with Krishna. And then he is called Madan Mohan. And when gopis used to serve Krishna, then he becomes Govinda. So relation with Govind is to serve Krishna. Like Sridham Subal or Ma Jashoda or like this is the highest thing. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to give this mission to us. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there was only bhakti, no bhakti rasa. Madhvacharya, Vishnu Swami, Nimbad, and Narad and all devotees. They used to do bhakti. But their bhakti was not bhakti of rasa. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he gave this thing to Rupa Goswami and he gave to Raghunath Das Goswami. And it became bhakti. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come only to give this mission to world and to taste the Radha mood. Perhaps you know all when his great Chaitanya Charitamrita and purpose of Swami. This is what the most toppest mission of Sri Chaitanya. Our whole disciplic orders, archers, like Rupa Raghunath, Jiva Goswami, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Narottam Thakur, after that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Baldev Vidyabhushan, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Prabhupada himself, our Gurudev and also Swami. Peace mission. Aim and object of our life, not only our life, but aim and object of our serving to Krishna. What is this? Krishna Prem Prayoja. Gopis are affectionately serving Krishna. They are also happy. And Krishna is serving gopis. He also loves gopis. And gopis love to Krishna. There are two things. But we know from our gurus that Radhika or Gopi's Prem is so much superior, higher than Krishna loves her. Perhaps you are understanding or not, right? If you tell that again, because my English is so poor and lame, I cannot get my impression.
You need more volume.
If they like, you can explain. And is to do anything that is all here. I have not done any medicine for this. So, without the mercy of Rupa Goswami, we cannot have all these things what I told. So, you know, Rupa Goswami, Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupah Kada Mahiyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has some desires here, some mood here. Which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He is himself Krishna, that Lord Krishna. And he wanted to some test more what he has tested in Krishna pastime. What that was thing? Krishna thought that I am so beautiful, but Radhika is more beautiful than me. I am so merciful, but Radhika is more merciful than me. I am also praying, but his praying is more. But yet, I know this. Radhika is my guru of praying. And I was admitted in the school of praying school of Srimati Radhika. There are professors, Lalita, Vishakha, all their professors. So, my praying guru is Srimati Radhika. And that is why he sent Uddhav to take admission in Gopi's school. Then he will know something about praying and then he will return to Mathura. Then I can talk with him, all these things. Otherwise, none is qualified to speak about praying. What is praying? So, there, Rupa Goswami has taken this mode. He went. So Krishna is thinking that the mood of Srimati Radhika is called actually Mahabhava. And more than that, Aruda, Devuda and all these things. I am not that thing. But I see that I see Srimati Radhika, I meet Radhika, but I don't become mad. But when Srimati Radhika sees me, hears me, my flow, then she becomes mad, actually mad. Why? I think that there is something in me which makes Srimati Radhika and all gopis mad. So I have something here. What is that? But if I am not that mode of Mahabhava, I cannot test all these things. So I should borrow the mood of Radhika. I should serve and make please and to have to borrow that Mahabhava. And then I will realize, I will see myself. I will test myself like Srimati Radhika. And to give something, to give. Unnata Ujjvala Rasa. And that is called Anarapita Charing Chirat Karunaya Vatirana Kalo
समर्पयितुम् उन्नत जगर्षांसा भक्ति हरिहपूर सुंदर दूति कदम्ब संदीपित सदा हृदय कंदरे स्फुरति में सचिनंदनः. I will bestow something, sprinkle something from that. The Unnat Ujjwal Rash cannot be given to anyone because it is the more wealth of Srimati Radhika. It can be tested. So he came to test all these things and to give a sprinkle of Unnat Ujjwal Rash power to Jiva, for whom they may be qualified. So he gave it through the name Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Naam Prem Mala Gati Paralo Shabare. He made a garland of flowers. What they are flowers? What they are flowers? Shant, Dasya, Shakta, Vastal and all kinds. These are flowers. So different colors and big different smells and all beautiful, sweet. And the Sutra, what was said? Prem. Hare Krishna, Naam is like flowers. Hare Krishna like. So, he gave it to all the flowers by name. That Prem was given. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to this world, and if Rupa Goswami was not there, anyone could not understand that why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to this world and what he is given to this world. And Raghunath Goswami and all other Goswamis. So we are indebted to Srila Rupa Goswami. Our whole recently claimed after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after Rupa Goswami is indebted to Srila Rupa Goswami. Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati came to give this mission to us. He has so many thousands and thousands of hands, like Mahavishnu. His one hand came from India here. Very long hand. And what was his hand? His hand first has mercy to this land, and we will go tomorrow to that land. Krishna consciousness, it touches to this world, Western world, here. That. And that name is called Swami Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami, and you call all like Prabhupada. And this has been so generous, so gentle, so sweet, and causeless mercy he has. We cannot glorify him because we don't know that prem. If we knew that prem, then we can have glorified. But we are doing, telling, or he has praised name. It is not such name. Anyhow, we will have to know that Rupa Goswami view. You know that one thing. Kavakathamritam tapta jeevanam kavibhiritam kalmashapaham shavarnamangalam srimadatam bhuvigridanti te bhurida jana. It is from Rashpanchadhyay, this is for Gopi became mad telling this. Also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hearing this slok in Puri from the mouth of Prataparudra, he told, who is he that is making here and getting so much nectar in my ears? Who are you? His eyes were closed and tears were coming. And he is like a mad person. He told that, I have nothing to give you. Nothing. I am akinchan. I am so much poor. I have nothing to do, but only I can give you my Embraced. And he embraced him. And with tears he washed him. So this slope is so good. For those who are telling all these things to us without anything, not taking anything in gain, only by mercy they are giving Krishna Katha to us. Indeed, they are Gurida Jana. Gurida means in this world they are most super donor. Donor?
Magnanimous.
Benefactor.
Magnanimous.
What word?
Generous.
Generous, so much generous. Those who have only a book named Srimad Bhagavad Gita, having good